Hi. Very good.
I really like the first song. You want to tell ma'am your name? What's your name? Your name.
Hello, everyone. Clap your hands.
Hello, ma'am.
And
Bye.
Justin, what do you have? Justin has got a poodle dog.
Bake me a cake fast as you can. What can we gonna take? You're all for to camp. Yeah. I love you. Thank you. This side of the string. These are a few of my favorite things. Senorita.
And how we come from different parts of our country and all of us meet together and be friends.
Okay. Wow,
Can anybody tell me what is the day today? Anybody? Is anybody?
Monday.
Today is Monday.
Today is what?
Sunday, sleeping day. Now look at this, Onion. Ashwi, look at this.
Oink, there, oink, everywhere, oink, oink, old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
November, December. Let's see. As in
Ambulance.
ambulance. Some long objects and some short objects. What? A long scale and a short scale. Which color is this?
Red.
Red. So let's put it in. A bite and a lick, a bite and a lick. I finish my lollipop on a long stick.
Unmute yourself. Yes. Tell me, what is this?
Ink bottle.
How many yellow blocks are there?
Can you count along with me? 1,
Ma'am.
Thumb is
Rita showing.
Ayansh. Amira, you're sucking your thumb. Show me your thumb. Say thank you to your mama.
But look at this boy. What is the wrong in this picture, Sneomita? Water. That boy is brushing, opening the tap. Oh.
So we are in the month of May. So children, today I'm going to show you the sorting of beets.
So every time we give her any of these items, she's only focusing on pouring from one to another.
Very good.
Can he can sing, some he can dance. We all got merrily together. We all go merrily down together.
I'm doing good. Thank you. You all are doing good. Namaste. How do we do namaste? We put one hand in front of our chest. We put the other hand in front of our chest. We join both our palms together and we join our fingers together this way. And we say namaste.
How to hold a book. Okay, this is the way. If a book is heavy, you'll hold it with your two hands like this.
What comes in between 8 and 10?
I can hear only one vowel. That's also the name of the letter. That is.
Just put your hands up. Zomato uncle, Swiggy uncle, milkman uncle, and a Didi who works for you at your place cleans the things up. Did you say thank you to her? Do you listen to the sound of U as in you know, it is very phonetic, right? Keep a pot or something for the birds to drink water during
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, we have 9 tens here. And
Oh, Monica, better.
Morning, everybody. Good
Good morning.
morning. Yes, what are we going to do? We are going to reapply the blue a little bit. And then we mix both the colors together. See here. Your hands nicely. All sleep on the bed.
Yes.
What is the color of the ball in your hand? Say.
Say loudly.
Very good. Yes. Very, very nice. Okay. All right. Good. Oh my God. This is a bag. This bag is full of books and it's so heavy, which has nothing in it. It's so light. Very
bread.
bread. Bread. Bread. Now, cotton. Okay.
as a friend? No friend.
5 has a friend?
6 has a friend? Yes.
No, yes.
So 5 is an odd number. And 6
Five. No, again.
okay. 6 is an even number, right? Let me see all of you chunk.
Odd.
Odd.
Forty.
You can try this one.
An cousin.
Small. What they y'all can do, parents, y'all can just put the paint on your child's hand this way, and they can put a palm imprint on the paper. Right? Okay.
432. Okay. So now quickly,
Kamalini.
Kamalini. Okay, Kamalini. 37. 537.
No,
What happened? Why are you angry, Jashan?
I will give you some instructions and you will listen to it very carefully and use that color to draw the picture. Okay.
draw one apple tree.
So everybody, rub your hands, put it on your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. So good morning to all of you.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Two eyes and one red nose. Isn't that cute? A little cute cheek.